Disclaimer: this program is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure any disease. Information broadcasted herein is intended for educational purposes only. Please consult a medical professional of any questions or concerns you might have regarding your health conditions. The host shall have no liability, obligation, or responsibility to any person for any loss, damage, or adverse consequence alleged to have happened directly or indirectly as a consequence of this program.
Heto na, ang programang magbibigay sa inyo ng mga karunungan upang mapanatili ang inyong kalusugan sa natural na pamamaraan.
Tubig at mga mineral.
Mga nutrisyong biyaya sa atin ng Diyos. Ang sagot sa ating kalusugan. Mapapakinggan tuwing Sabado, alas 4 hanggang alas 5 ng hapon dito sa 97.5 Disney OK at BBM TV5 kasama si Ma'am Vern at Doc Red.